going for our suction line going to the rear. So we're going to remove this line right here, and the other one is right next to it. And we're going to remove that line, and we're going to install the block kit for it into these two lines. Now this particular kit comes with 2 fittings and 2 O-rings. The suction line fitting, we're using an 1¼ inch wrench and an 1/16 wrench. And what we need to do is just disconnect both these lines right here. There's the one. And then we'll disconnect the pressure line, and we are going to use a 3/4 inch wrench and a 5/8 wrench. Disconnected. So once you get them broke loose, just unscrew them both, pull the line back, and that's where our blocks are going to go. Now the kit comes with new O-rings, so we'll pull off the old O-rings, and we're going to install 2 new O-rings on here. One on the small side with a small one. I'm just going to put that on together. Tighten it up. And then for the suction line, pull the O-ring off of here. Like that. Replace it with a new O-ring. Just like that. And if you have a little bit of oil, it's always good to put a little bit of refrigerant oil on it, and to keep it lubed. Doesn't really do anything, just to keep the O-ring from drying out. I've already did that, so then all we do to put it back together, tighten your fittings down, take your wrenches, block kit. We're going to use an 1/8 wrench on the nut. I don't have an 1/8 handy, so I'm using a crescent wrench, and then an 1¼ on the nut. And no need to crank them down because it seals on the O-ring. That's all you got to do. It doesn't take a lot of pressure to do that. To do the other one, we're going to use 2 3/4 inch wrenches, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to tighten them down. And there we go. There's an installed block kit for a 96 to 99 Suburban. That was this particular one. This kit will also, the instructions are the same for 90 to 95 Suburbans also. So anything 90 to 99, all your instructions are going to be the same for installing it.